Your senior officers, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the UN, we would thank the government for the initiative in organizing this consultation today. We are pleased to have been able to work closely with the government, guided by the national plan in the NDP2 in the development of the project which is presented before you, or which will be presented before you a little later this morning. On behalf of the UN, we're also pleased to be drawing together the UN team and working together on a diverse range of issues that are captured in this project document. I would like to touch on 2 or 3 brief but specific areas in which we feel that we have something particular to offer in our support to the government in advancing the rule of law here. Firstly, both the Minister of Justice and also the Police Commissioner mentioned it in their speeches, but in the advancement of human rights and the achievement of the international norms and standards which Somaliland has either acceded to already or aspires to. This is an area in which the UN system has a particular comparative strength in its support to the government. Perhaps linked to that is also the broader area of monitoring and evaluation. It is one thing to aspire to achieving standards of human rights. It's quite another thing to be able to demonstrate that, particularly to the population of Somaliland. This ties in with a whole range of political issues such as consensual policing, but the broader area of monitoring and evaluation is one in which the United Nations also has some strengths which we can use to support the government in the achievement of the rule of law ambitions. And finally, we would also look to supporting the government in coordination. As the Director General from the Ministry of Planning mentioned in his introductory remarks this morning, there's a diverse range of actors in this sector, most of whom, but not all, are represented here today. That in itself brings its challenges, but also importantly opportunities. We look forward to working with the government in taking advantage of those opportunities, addressing the challenges and achieving the ambitions that are set out in this programme document. So with that, we would thank the government and look forward to fruitful and interesting discussions this morning. Thank you.
From the Swedish Embassy, and Eileen from the Dutch Embassy, and I'm from the European Union delegation for Somalia and Somaliland. So on behalf of the European Union, we would like to thank the Ministry of Justice for organizing this meeting and gathering all of us today. We really welcome the fact that all stakeholders are around the table. This is really a beautiful start of the project, and it doesn't happen so often, so we really want to raise that because it's a very good opportunity. We are very excited to hear more from all of you, and we hope it will ensure full coordination and links among institutions and sectors, and that's something that has been raised through several speeches already, that coordination and links among institutions is really crucial for the implementation. Therefore, it's important that we explore what are the main priorities going forward for this project. We would like to remind the beautiful aim of the governance pillar of the NDP, which is to build a society where the rights of citizens are protected by democratic, transparent, accountable, and efficient public institutions. We, of course, fully subscribe to this. So if we keep in mind this ambitious objective, the rule of law path will be underpinned by a principled approach to human rights. It has also been raised several times in the speeches this morning, accountability and oversight mechanism. These principles are key to build citizen trust into justice and security institutions. We look forward to engaging with you, government and not government stakeholders, we wish to have fruitful discussions this morning. Thank you very much.